Good morning, students. Welcome to this first class of 7th standard computer science class. This year we will go to see Introduction MS Excel 2007. Introduction to MS Excel 2007. MS Excel 2007 stands for Microsoft Excel 2007. It is one of the components of Microsoft Office. It is an official application. Do you know who is the developer of this application? Yes, Microsoft Corporation. The number one use of MS Excel in the workplace is to do business analysis. You may be surprised to learn that one of the top uses of Excel in business is to manage people. Once you know how to use Excel, you'll find yourself using it more and more. Let them see uses of MS Excel. MS Excel is a software that can format as well as calculate its record. Format means you can change the size, color, and font. We can also use for display number and calculation, etc. MS Excel 2007 is a proficient software which combines formatting features with calculating features. Formatting means we can format the text. See how to invoke MS Excel 2007. Click on Start, select All Programs, select Microsoft Office and then select Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Here has another method for opening the Excel. That is, click on MS Excel icon from the desktop screen if it is available. Title bar is on the application window. Status bar always on the bottom of the window. The center part name is Worksheet. This button name is MS Office button. This is a quick access toolbar. Let them see the components of MS Excel application window. Let us see the components. This is the title bar. This is the MS Office button. MS Office button is used to create a new file, save a file, and also we can close a file. Right side of the title bar has three buttons, namely minimize button, maximize button, and close button. Look at the bottom of the window. It is called a status bar. Status bar has a sheet tab. By default, sheet 1 is an active sheet. See, horizontal scroll bar. It is also in the status bar. See, right side of the application window has a vertical scroll bar. The center part name is Worksheet. Worksheet are also called spreadsheet. Worksheet consists of rows and columns. The vertical division name is column. Horizontal division name is row. A, B, C, D, these are called column name. They are placed on the column heading 1, 2, 3, 4. They are called row number. They are placed on the row heading. First column name A, first row number is 1. Intersection of rows and columns form a cells. The intersection of rows and columns form a cell. The first cell is a active cell. Each cell has a cell address. So the first cell address is A1. A is indicate column name. 1 is indicate row number. The data in a worksheet has to be filled in cell-wise. Before the worksheet has two components. They are name box and formula bar. Name box are also called address bar. Could you see name box and formula bar? Name box is also called address bar. I shall explain all the components, so don't worry, you may study easily. Let us see this window carefully, children. Okay, this is the quick access toolbar. By default, this toolbar appears next to the MS Office button. The quick access toolbar helps us to access the frequently used commands. By default, only 3 buttons appears on this toolbar, namely save, undo and redo. Save is used to save the workbook. Undo is used to roll back an action. Redo is used to apply the same action again. The next of the quick access toolbar name is title bar. Do you know what is the use of title bar? It's used to display current workbook file name. This area name is ribbon. The ribbon is a user interface element created by Microsoft. The ribbon is a collection of tabs such as home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. There are 7 tabs are available. Do you know what is the use of title bar? It's used to display current workbook file name. This area name is ribbon. The ribbon is a user interface element created by Microsoft. The ribbon is a collection of tabs such as home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. There are 7 tabs are available. Each tab has several groups. Each group contains several related commands. See, this is one of the group. First group name clipboard, second group name font. It is one of the group. Some group has this icon. This icon name is dialog box launcher. Look at here. This dialog box launcher is used to display additional command in each group. The center part name is worksheet window. See, look at here. Name box. What is the another name of name box? It is also called address bar. See, what is the name of this one? Formula bar. What is the use of formula bar? We can edit values or formula. This part name is column heading. What is the first column name? A is the first column name. This part name is row headings. Number 1 is a row number. First row number. The first cell is the active cell. Each cell has a address. So first cell address is A1. A represents the column name. 1 represents the row number. Look at the bottom of the window. See status bar. It is called status bar. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. It is called sheet tabs. By default, Sheet 1 is active. There are two types of scroll bar. They are horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. See, it has three buttons. These three buttons are called page view buttons. This part name is zoom bar. There are two types of zoom in and zoom out. Do you know where is the MS Office button in the application window? Yes, this button is found at the top left part of the MS Excel 2007 window. This button helps us to perform many functions. Using this button, we can create a new workbook, open an existing one, save, print, send a workbook, and close the current workbook. It is a tool that you use to create new workbook, save workbook, open an existing workbook, send workbook through email, and so on. Title bar. It displays name of the workbook and application that you are using. Minimize button is used to minimize the Excel window. Maximize button is used to maximize the Excel window. Close button is used to close the Excel application. Formula bar is used to enter or edit values or formula in cells. Formula bar is the next of the address bar. Status bar is used to display at the bottom of the page. It contains page view button and zoom bar. There are three buttons available in the page view button. By default, normal view button is selected. Zoom bar is used to zoom in and zoom out. Vertical scroll bar, a standing scroll bar. It is used to scroll the screen up and down. You can use the screen moving up and down. Horizontal scroll bar, a parallel scroll bar to the Excel 2007 window, is used to scroll the screen to left or to right. View button, it helps to view the pages in normal style, page layout, and page break. Normal style is a default setting. Zoom bar. Zoom bar is used to zoom out or zoom in the worksheet. The smallest size of zooming is 10% of screen, while the largest size of zooming is 400% of screen. Quick access toolbar. It helps us to access the frequently used commands, but default only three buttons appears on this toolbar, namely save, undo or redo. Save shortcut key is Ctrl plus S. Undo shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z. Redo shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. Ribbon is a collection of tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View in a panel at the top portion of the window. Ribbon is a user interface element. It helps us to find the commands quickly to complete a task. Let them see the recap. Getting started with MS Excel 2007. Click on Start menu. Then select All Programs and then select Microsoft Office and then select Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Here has one more method. You can directly click on MS Excel 2007 icon. Let them see the components of application window. What is the use of quick access toolbar? Yes, quick access toolbar is used to frequently used commands. By default, 3 buttons. They are save, undo and redo. The next of the quick access toolbar name is title bar. It's used to display current workbook file name. This part name is ribbon. Ribbon is a collection of tabs in a panel at top portion of the window. Each tab has several groups. Each group has several related commands. This icon name is dialog box launcher is used to display additional commands in each group. This name is name box, also called address bar. It is called formula bar. It's used to enter or edit values or formula. The center part name is worksheet window. It is called status bar. Thank you, students.